younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my everyday cleaning routine. These are the things that I like to get done every single day, but sometimes I can't accomplish that. Sometimes I'll only get them every other day or every 3 days, but regardless, these are the parts of my home that I like to keep in order to keep everything else organized throughout the week. The first thing I like to do to get my daily cleaning routine started is to open the blinds and turn on all of the lights in the house. And then once that's done, I just go ahead and tackle making my bed. This really motivates me to start the day and tidy up the rest of the place. There is something about a bed being made first thing in the morning. It's so refreshing. And then once that's done, I like to spray our pillows with a floral pillow mist to freshen up the space and vacuum the carpets before moving into the kitchen. Today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend here on YouTube, Melanie Wickland. This girl brings some serious cleaning motivation. She has the cutest little boy and she shares tons of mom life content, organization tips, and is just such a sweet person. She also works a full-time job, so this girl inspires me like crazy, and I absolutely love watching her videos while I'm cleaning because she never fails to bring tons of motivation. So make sure that you check her channel out today. I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. Subscribe to her and don't forget to tell her that I sent you. And now that my bed has been made, I just like to move into the kitchen to finish loading the dishwasher, wipe down the countertops from the previous day, and just give the kitchen a good solid once-over. I find that if I do this at the beginning of the day, then the entire rest of the day I'm pressured to keep it nice, which in turn just helps our whole apartment stay a lot more tidy.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning?
If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy you stopped by. My name is Lauren and I love to make videos full of cleaning motivation, decor inspiration, delicious recipes, and I would love to have you subscribe and join the family. If you love all things homemaking, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave today, and I would also love to hear from you down in the comments.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
I'm hooked on this Mrs. Meyer's basil scent right now, so that's what I'm using to wipe down all of the surfaces in our kitchen. And y'all may have already peeped it in the intro, but I finally bought a kitchen table and I'm so excited. I found it on Facebook Marketplace for a super great deal, and I just chalk painted it and did some distressing with sandpaper. And I wanted to show y'all the progress, but I'm not quite done with it yet. I still have to distress the chairs and give it that satin finish, but I'm so happy with the size and I love the way that it turned out, and I'm so glad that we finally have a place to sit down and eat.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I want you to call me. You know that I've fallen for you. I try to give you my best, baby, but I'm afraid that it just won't do. But honey, please, 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 let me do it right. Oh yeah, I wanna do it right. I want you to know.
On a daily basis, I make sure to wipe down this garbage can. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I don't know what it is, but I can't stomach it if it goes too long without being wiped down. So I just like to make it a daily habit. If you have something you're weird about when it comes to cleaning, leave it down in the comments below. I always think it's super funny to hear what different people have to say about this kind of stuff. And another thing that I do every single day without fail is to pick up that Dyson and give my floors a quick clean. I can't stand to see carpets or any type of flooring with buildup. It drives me crazy, so I always like to get that taken care of at some point throughout the day. For the stovetop, it kind of just depends on the day. Sometimes I clean it really well after dinner, and then sometimes I just leave it and call it a night. And this time around I had to clean it in the morning, and so I just like to spray it down with Windex and then grab this scratchy sponge from the sink to break down anything that might be stuck on, and then I just go over it with a microfiber cloth to shine it up. Another thing that I do religiously every single day is fluff up these couches. This couch is not even a year old and it looks so frumpy, so I'm constantly doing everything in my power to make it look alive again. And if I have any advice for anyone who has never bought a couch before or is in the market for a new couch, make sure to get one with 3 cushions instead of 2, because I just feel like the 2 don't hold up as well as it would if it had 3. And I don't know why that is, and I can't explain it, but these are larger, and so when you sit on them, they just get really frumpy looking. So that's my advice.
I have seen that face more than a million times, like a million times. I have seen that, baby. I can treat you right and you can prove me
When it comes to the bathroom, I just like to wipe down these countertops with the scrubbing bubbles, flushable wipes, and give the mirror a good wipe down. The mirror was awful on this day because I was washing my paintbrushes in here yesterday and I made a huge mess. So I'm just going to clean that up with some Windex. And I also like to give the toilets a quick wipe down with the same scrubbing bubbles wipes just to keep it under control until the next deep clean. Vacuuming in the bathroom is not a daily habit of mine, but I had to do that on this day because I had a flower arrangement sitting in here and it was shedding everywhere. And so I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up those petals. And then I also just got done washing both of my bathroom rugs. They so desperately needed it, and now I'm going to put those back here in just a second.
I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them.
Last but not least is a load of laundry, and I've been trying to get a load of laundry done every single day. And whether or not I get it folded is a whole nother story, but I'm going to go ahead and tackle this load today. But first, I'm going to turn on Melanie Wickland's laundry motivation video to get me motivated. And while I'm getting that done, I wanted to quickly mention, I told y'all that in this video I would have my laundry situation figured out and that I would have a new system, but I've been looking everywhere for one of those hampers that's separated into 3 sections, and I found one, but I'm not happy with the way it looks, and so I'm going to keep an eye out for one. I'm still not there yet. Hopefully within the next couple videos I can give y'all an update, but if you have a recommendation for where I can find a cute one that will look good sitting in my kitchen, let me know, because that's currently our situation with this apartment. There's just not enough room, so I need something that looks good sitting out but that is still functional.
Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky.
And that is it for my daily cleaning routine. I hope y'all enjoyed and got some motivation for all of the chores that you have to tackle today. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button for me and subscribe if you aren't already. And make sure to check out Melanie's channel as well. I will leave her link below, and I will see y'all next week.